All right. Now let's move on to the government. All right. So now let's move on to the government unit. Government unit is going to be easy if you pay attention. If you don't, man, it might be tricky, man. Let's see. Let's see though. Let's see. I believe in you. All right. Now, when it comes to government, we only learn about two major government type in Europe. First one, parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy is like this: citizens get to elect a legislative. Now, legislative is the lawmaker. This is the person that makes the law. And the lawmaker, the legislator, then will select the executive. Executive is like the leader, the face of the country. For example, in US right now, Joe Biden, um, things like that. Now, example of that will be United Kingdom and Germany. They both have parliamentary democracy. To be exactly, United Kingdom has parliamentary democracy, but they also have constitutional monarchy because they have king and queen, but their power is limited by constitution. They're just a celebrity, they don't have actual power. In Germany, their leader is called the chancellor. They're the leader, they're the executive of the German democracy, German government. Of course, the legislator are the one that choose the executive. It is very important you understand this chart. Again, parliamentary democracy, citizen vote for lawmaker, lawmaker vote for the leader. So that also means the power of the government is really right here because whoever this is get to decide who the leader is. So citizens vote for them, but they get to vote for who this is. The power stay in legislator, the legislative branch, not the executive branch, legislative branch. Now, next, presidential democracy. Very easy because presidential democracy is where we live in. Very easy. Citizens get to vote for the lawmaker and the president. We got to vote for our district congress and the president just now. You get to vote for your senator and your, of course, House of Representative, your district congress, all this. In presidential democracy, you get to vote for everyone, whoever you want. So let's go ahead and answer the question, shall we? Number one, which European government have these characteristics in common? It is bicameral, citizen vote for member of one of the legislative houses. Chief executive is chosen by legislative body. So we know it's talking about parliamentary democracy, which then we know the answer is United Kingdom and Germany. Now this, let's see. This image best represent is saying citizen is voting for executive and legislative. We know this is presidential democracy. Okay, yeah, I can't write with this. We'll just write presidential democracy. Which answer best explain the correct choice for part A? Why did we pick presidential democracy? Let's see. A, this image represents direct voting for executive. That is correct. Let's see the other. This image show indirect voting for executive. No, you see citizen vote for executive. So that is not correct. Image does not show citizen voting. Buddy, what? It shows citizen voting. D, the image show that executive is chosen by previous. What? No, we know the answer is A. Let's see. This is all right. Now, this question is Kevin was reviewing his notes for social study when he found some spot he had left blank. Let's see. Chief executive in Germany is called the chancellor. Oh man, I know I won't be able to write nicely. Let's see. Chan Chancellor. Wow. This really looked like y'all's handwriting. Wow. Chancellor. Yeah, this is insane. Wow. Wow. Spelled it wrong too. All right. Anyway, they're elected indirectly by citizen. Indirectly. We know that because in Germany, citizens don't get to choose the prime minister or the chancellor. Wow. I'll try to edit this. I'll try to edit this, folks. Hopefully I can figure out the YouTube. editing, and I can just write this right here and right there. But again, the chief executive in Germany is called chancellor. They're elected indirectly by the citizen. The reason why they're indirectly elected is because the citizen vote for the lawmaker, the legislator, and they vote for the chancellor. But in Russia, chief executive is elected directly by the citizen. We know in Russia have presidential democracy. Citizen can vote for whoever they want. They can vote for president and lawmaker. Now let's see which of the following could go in the middle section of this Venn diagram, the common denominator. Let's see. A, the legislative branch select the chief executive. No. Oh, I mean, yeah, I mean, no, because in presidential, citizens choose the chief executive, not the legislator. So that will only be correct for parliamentary. B, citizen elect member of legislative branch. That's bingo. Citizen, you can vote for both legislative and executive and presidential, and you can only vote for legislative and parliamentary, making B the correct answer. Let's see other though. C, executive branch take part in creating law. Nope, that is exclusively legislative branch. Executive branch is completely independent of the legislative branch. No, that's only true in presidential democracy. In parliamentary democracy, like what we talked about, it is the same. The legislative branch is technically the same with executive because they are the one that's choosing. They're choosing their own buddy. So that is why the correct answer for that would be B. Thank you for watching this review. One last review. Let's go.